Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best windshield is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for your Ezgo golf cart, transforming your driving experience by shielding you from wind, rain, dust, and debris, ensuring a clearer, safer, and more comfortable ride whether you're cruising the neighborhood, navigating the golf course, or tackling off-road trails, making it a crucial upgrade for any discerning golf cart owner seeking enhanced protection and enjoyment. Number 5. Ezgo TXT Golf Cart Fold-Down Windshield. Upgrade your Ezgo TXT golf cart with this high-quality, impact-resistant windshield. It's designed to fit models from 1995 to 2013, ensuring a perfect fit for your vehicle. Enjoy crystal-clear visibility with its transparent design. When you need it, you can easily fold it down for added convenience and airflow. Installation is a breeze, as all necessary mounting hardware is included. Get back on the course in no time with this user-friendly upgrade. For optimal clarity, please remember to remove the protective film from all sides of the windshield after installation. This ensures a pristine finish. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you have any issues, we're here to help ensure you're happy with your purchase. What we like. This windshield offers a convenient fold-down design for versatile use. It's built with impact-resistant material for durability. If you're looking for straightforward installation and a clear view, this is a great option for your Ezgo TXT. What people say. The windshield itself was packaged in a heavy box with a heavy-duty peel-off protection sheet. Assembly parts were all there and secured. The unit itself is sturdy and pretty rigid with a hinge that is secured to the full length of the top and bottom pieces, so I am expecting a good life from it. It went on easily and is sturdy. The windshield is fantastic. Shipping was impressive. Much quicker than originally told, and the box it came in was incredibly secure with formed foam and plastic before being put in box. Seriously though, this is an incredibly easy install. Number 4. 10L0L Golf Cart Windshield for Ezgo TXT. Experience unparalleled clarity on your rides. This windshield is designed to provide excellent visibility, ensuring a safe and enjoyable journey every time. Stay protected from the elements. It shields you from harmful UV rays, glare, raindrops, dust, and twigs, keeping you comfortable in any weather condition. Crafted from durable 4mm PC material, this windshield is built for longevity. It offers superior UV resistance, shatterproof performance, and high impact strength without yellowing over time. Get back on the road in no time. Installation is a breeze with all necessary mounting parts included. No drilling or modifications are needed for a perfect fit. Specifically designed for your Ezgo TXT Medalist gas and electric golf cart from 1995 to 2013. Its precise dimensions ensure a seamless fit and optimal performance. Enjoy the flexibility of a foldable design. This feature enhances convenience, allowing you to adjust it to your needs while maintaining clear views. What we like. Experience superior protection with its anti-UV and shatterproof polycarbonate construction. It boasts high light transmittance for excellent visibility. If you prioritize durability and protection from the elements, this is the windshield for you. What people say. This windshield is a perfect fit for my Ezgo TXT 2014 model. It arrived well packaged and was easy to install, taking only about 15 minutes. The windshield is clear and provides good visibility without any distortion. Number 3. Ezgo TXT Golf Cart Windshield Tinted. Upgrade your Ezgo TXT golf cart with this stylish tinted windshield. It's designed to fit your 1995 to 2013 model perfectly, enhancing your driving experience. Installation is a breeze. All necessary hardware is included, and it easily attaches to your existing frame without any need for drilling. Crafted from heavy-duty, 4mm thick tinted acrylic, this windshield offers superior strength and durability. It's built to withstand the elements and provide long-lasting performance. Enjoy enhanced visibility and comfort with its UV protective tint, which reduces glare. The convenient fold-down design adds to its practicality. Your new windshield comes covered with a protective film to prevent damage during shipping. Please confirm its suitability before removing this layer. What we like. Enjoy reduced glare and UV protection with this tinted acrylic windshield. Its fold-down feature adds to its convenience. If you prefer a tinted view to minimize sun glare and want added protection, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Fits great and easy to install. Took maybe 10 minutes to install and peel off protective film. Easy to mount and looks great. The little screws are meant to hold the windshield up off the plastic body. Simple design with silicone hinge, works great. Fit great, quick install. Number 2. Performance Plus Kart's Ezgo TXT Folding Windshield. Enhance your golf cart experience with our premium folding windshield. Designed for Ezgo TXT and Medalist models, it offers superior protection and clarity. Crafted from 5mm tinted acrylic, this windshield is thicker and more durable than standard options. Enjoy long-lasting quality and a clear view of the course. Installation is a breeze with all the necessary mounting hardware included. It's designed to fit carts with original roof struts for a seamless fit. Experience exceptional visibility and durability with our high-clarity acrylic construction. The high-quality polyurethane hinges ensure smooth operation for years to come. Proudly made in the USA, this windshield is built with quality and precision. It's compatible with Ezgo TXT and Medalist models from 1994.5 to 2013. What we like. This windshield is made from thicker, high-clarity acrylic for enhanced durability and visibility. Proudly made in the USA, it ensures quality craftsmanship. If you value premium materials and domestic manufacturing, this is the one to consider. What people say. Perfect fit, easy installation. Love the tinted windshield. No rattle noise once installed. Installation took 5 minutes with 2 people. Looks fantastic and is thicker than the old flimsy one. The tint cuts down nighttime headlight glare and is just overall a great product. Made from 3/16-inch acrylic, this tinted windshield offers both protection and style. It's designed for a perfect fit on Ezgo TXT models from 1994.5 to 2013. The folding feature provides added convenience, allowing you to adjust it based on the weather or your preference. Number 1. Clear fold-down golf cart windshield for Ezgo TXT. This windshield is custom cut to perfectly fit your Ezgo TXT golf cart. Enjoy a snug, vibration-free experience on the course. Crafted from 3/16-inch thick clear acrylic, it offers optimal visibility. See everything clearly without distortion. Everything you need for installation is included. It easily attaches to your existing windshield frame, making setup a breeze. Designed and manufactured in North America, this windshield is built with quality materials and components. You can trust its craftsmanship. Before removing the protective film, please dry fit the windshield to ensure an accurate fit. Once the film is removed, it cannot be returned. What we like. Designed for a snug, vibration-free fit, this windshield is made from 3/16 thick clear acrylic. It's crafted with quality materials in North America. If you need a precise fit and clear visibility, this custom-cut option is ideal. What people say. This windshield fits my Ezgo TXT 2005 golf cart perfectly. It's super easy to install, the windshield is clear, the plastic is made of very high quality and the fold-up and flip-down part is very easy to flip up and down. The windshield is exactly what I wanted. It seems sturdy, has a fold across the middle for hot days, and unfolds for rainy days. It has rubber grommet-looking things that hold the windshield in place, whether in the folded or unfolded position. This windshield fit perfect. It folds up and down nicely and stays in the position that you put it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.